Oh, Cronky guys, today we have the majestic. What are you laughing at? We have the majestic Fury here versus the majestic slash two-wheel drive. A video you guys have asked for very soon, and we're finally bringing it to you. I can't do it no more.
I can't take you serious.
Anyway, we've been wanting to know how well the slash two-wheel drive VXL hangs up with the Fury, since the Fury is the hottest thing in RC right now. So we have Byron's mangled Fury here versus my mangled slash. And what I did, the only modification I did, was I put the Fury tires on there because you see how well this thing wheelies out here. So we're gonna see how well the slash two-wheel drive hangs up with the Fury. Stay tuned, guys. All right, guys, here we go. We got the sand hill here. As you take me out. I mean, my slash is getting up there easy. Fury's getting up there easy. Oh, okay, good. He flipped over. Oh, he knocked my front two teeth out.
That was funny.
Bro, you knocked my teeth out. Look. I look a little messed up now. So we're both doing pretty good. Oh, my body's falling apart, but so is Byron's. Oh, tree shot. Yeah, another point for the slash. Right. Get dusted, boy.
Oh, that went down to my feet.
What are you doing to my body, Byron? Come on, man. I need to see my headlight. No, don't do my headlight. Bro.
There you go.
Thank you. Come on, man. Now I can't see in the dark.
Look at me, dude.
Oh, yeah, you don't got a headlight either. That was just easy throttle. You got me a little dirty too. Oh, that was a good one. Oh, come on, come on, come on. That's sick. You're on like the littlest tree ever.
Oh, there's a root stuck in my bumper on the
other
side.
There's a root? Oh my God, yes. Dude, these tires dig for days. Angry little booger. Oh, nice little wheelie up the hill.
Oh.
Mine's progressively sounding worse. Your body? Wow, I've never seen the body come off. Fury is lightning quick, man. No, I'm stuck. Oh, did you? Oh, yeah, dude, you were dug down. That's more like 14 feet ruts. These tires are really good.
I guess that body clip broke or something.
Oh, really? Let's go get like a little bit of a speed run. Let's see. Oh, yeah.
Oh, I'm starting to just like raise up because of my body.
Oh, yeah, finally. Because so does mine. Dadgummit. Awesome, glad to hear it. Man, point for the Fury. They'll do about 60. They start taking flight at about 50 though, so. Gimme, gimme, gimme. Oh, 3, 2, 1, go.
I went in low power.
Oh, did you? All right, battery change time. What am I doing to it?
Oh, wait.
Oh. This is illegal what we're doing here. What happened? The pin came out or the pin break?
No, it just, I don't know.
Oh.
Oh, it moved over. Well, that's junk.
I'm sure I'm gonna need
Well, there's a bench over here.
Oh, okay. This Fury is mangled, dude.
I don't know how more things haven't been broken on it.
That's one thing, guys. The Fury does suck down battery a lot faster. I'm running Hoovu 5200s. He's running stock Traxxas 5000s. Yes, on a Spectrum system. But the Fury just sucks them down so quick.
Stay down. There's a lot of heat also being created
Yes, that is true
Because
too.
there's batteries not open, battery tray's not open. There's not really a vent to let air go into it.
Oh, I didn't mean to do that. All right. Mine's probably gonna die.
The body.
Yeah, you didn't fix the body yet. Mine's gonna die anytime. Mine kind of sounds like a two-stroke.
Flip right here is the stupidest thing that I've ever messed with.
Yeah.
I don't understand. All I need to do is go back into the hole.
Oh, looks like it's staying. Oh, wow. Oh my God, that tire's huge. Back at it now. Byron got a fresh battery. Let's start from up here. You just keep wheeling.
Coming.
I know.
Coming.
Oh my God, double tumble.
Held the whole throttle down the whole time.
Go.
What the heck? Oh.
Dude, you just keep flipping over and over.
I did this Fury come.
Ah, 1 for 1.
You wanna play chicken?
Yeah, let's do it. What's up, guys? Today, we're going to be bringing you the brand new giveaway car, our Snap-on van. Not Snap-off, but Snap-on Vortex Traxxas van that we're giving away right now on lifeofballin.com. You can enter to win this by going to lifeofballin.com and purchasing anything off of the website. For every $5 equals 10 entries, so you can get you something like these brand new Snap-off shirts. We're also introducing brand new products like the Life of Ballin hex holder here. This has been one of the best things I've used every single time that I work on my cars, and I hope you enjoy it as much. So those are on the website as well. You get automatically entered to win this Snap-on van that you are going to love. And this is a collector's item, so you can do whatever you want with it. Keep it on the shelf. Go slam it into a curb. Melt it down with a lipo fire. We don't care. We just want to be able to give this beautiful rig to you. Go to lifeofballin.com today and enjoy. Byron wants to play chicken, so let's try it out. I don't think anything broke. See, the slash two-wheel drive can still hang with it. Oh. Oh, sweet. I don't know how my Hoovu battery's still lasting. All right, we're gonna try to play chicken again. Let's see what happens. I can't steer. Oh, I couldn't steer. 1 point for the Fury. Angry little booger. These are really good bastards.
I don't care what anybody says.
That was amazing! Wow!
That was weak. Clunk.
Didn't see. Ah, got him. Dude, you almost did a backflip. You almost did a backflip. Oh yeah, great bearings, great bearings.
Oh, I just covered myself.
Ah, point for the slash.
Are we even keeping points?
So far, guys, I don't know. These pretty even. I was expecting the Fury to blow it away. Oh God. The Fury's still like almost $150 cheaper though.
I'm also keeping it floored the whole time.
Yeah, you're keeping it floored.
Because, you know.
I think right now, if you take a slash two-wheel drive and put these tires on there.
Oh yeah, it changes the whole truck.
Yes! Yes, Byron! I knew what you were going for.
I was trying to hit that or this pole.
Oh my God!
Wait, what? Why is it backwards?
Oh my God! I think you're good. Yeah.
Yeah.
Now let's see about the slash.
Let's see if it can hit it. God.
Oh! It's broke! Oh no! We ka-chowed, bro. We ka-chowed.
Oh.
Oh no.
You need to upgrade those anyways.
Yeah, that's a stock.
Okay,
A-Arms.
here's the deal. The shock is fine, but sit there with the Fury.
Yes, it can. It can still go. Almost.
Oh,
Oh!
where'd the other tire go? Where'd the other tire go? Oh, look at this W.
Yo, that's a boomerang, bro.
Yep.
Crikey. Oh, that's why you don't play basketball.
Yep. Also because, you know.
Dude, I lost my motor cap. No, not my motor cap.
Okay, so I gotta take it on one more time.
Oh, oh, oh. Bro, I'm dying over here.
Oh, it broke the top one too. Dadgummit. I don't have a top left one. I have a bottom right one.
Oh no. Well, guys, honestly, I don't know. The Arrma blew out a shock
Okay.
and everything.
The Arrma blew out a shock. Where did the shock go?
Dude, the shock's right behind you. It's sitting on the ground.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah. Did it break the shock caps too?
It broke the shock cap.
Look at
And the
that.
bottom piece.
Oh my God. So that's Arrma. This is what happened to the Arrma.
But you got to think about how brutal I just nailed that. I mean, you hit it
Yes.
hard too, but
Yeah, oh, Byron's
hit
gonna
it.
make excuses saying
I'm
he
gonna
hit it harder. The Arrma is tougher, right? You guys make your choice. This is what happened to the Slash when I hit it twice. I broke both ends. Byron's driving on 3 wheels right now. Oh!
you better wheelie into it. It's done. We're good.
Byron's been driving on 3 wheels. Oh my gosh.
So the Fury is still pretty tough.
Yeah, the Fury's definitely pretty tough for only
I
230.
just did a wheelie into this thing full blast.
Yeah. Oh! Good stuff, Byron.
How that happened? I
You
don't
went right
know.
through. I'm proud of you on that one. Yeah, the Fury, you don't need 4 wheels.
That didn't work out.
No. All right, let's see if the Slash can drive with... I'm ka-chowing on both sides. I just gotta stay up. Look at it. It's so pitiful. Why can't I steer? Why can't I steer, Byron? Oh, I can steer. Oh! That was wood.
Hold on.
Yeah.
It did knock it back some.
Like, why else is there be a chunk taken out of here if that wasn't you, Byron?
Now I can't hit it worth the crap.
I needed new A-arms anyway.
Oh, it ripped the back of the body.
Oh, finally the body's done for. I don't need steering when I got to this wheelie.
It's like a little dog that's happy.
Oh, dude, I think you were like a centimeter away.
I heard it like go. Look at the tire mark.
Dude, yeah, you were like at the tire mark. You were like a centimeter away from hitting it. Oh, my ESC is off. Oh. Oh, no, it broke my ESC plate. Rowdy, bro. Rowdy.
I love this thing.
No, you don't. So, honestly, a stock Fury is the only 2-wheel drive I've ever seen do a backflip. SCT truck, by the way. Byron can't kill the Fury, I guess. Let's do a damage assessment.
Damage assessment?
Yeah, look.
There's
What happened to the ESC plate? It broke that off the ESC there.
well, there's no ESC plate there.
Yeah,
This
I
is
don't know
taped
where
to
it went.
That was taped to it, fool.
Oh, we didn't have an ESC plate.
Yeah, you didn't have
Okay,
ESC.
that makes me feel better. What do you say this is, Byron? A $2 fix?
No. It's more now. I broke that.
Oh. Oh.
Also needs to go to the trash.
I can throw away the rest of my body stuff here. All right, guys, here's our damage assessment. The Slash, you know, it had a good time here. The A-arms didn't really break, though. That's what's crazy about it. It was the hubs.
Arm did break.
What do you mean? Well, that A-arm did, but this one didn't.
This shock is like super.
Oh, that one, I never put the little thingy in there anyway.
This one's coming out.
Yeah, it hit twice right on there to ka-chow it. Well, Byron ripped that off. The ESC broke because I never had a plate on there. That's not a big deal. And, you know, still drives. And now let's go over to the Arrma. She sheared an A-arm right off. Sheared a shock off too.
Top and bottom.
Yep.
Yeah. Broke the steering link, broke the top A-arm. Actually cracked the top A-arm too.
Yeah, cracked that A-arm.
Other than that, I think that's it.
I think that's it too. So you guys decide which one do you think won this round. Put it down in the comments below. And if you want to know more about these trucks and where you can get them, they'll also be in the link down below. See you guys soon. No, you best back up.
I think these tires do wake up the slash though, because it does pull wheelies a lot easier.
Oh, I thought we were gonna do it. Oh, 1 point for the slash. Oh, yeah. This body is so sad. Oh, yeah, you're... Yeah, dig yourself in, bud.
Oh no!
What'd you do?
It came off.
Wow. There you go. Do you even know what kind of gears are in that one? Like what mod?
I haven't opened anything. I haven't even touched this thing other than put the new A-arm and shock on it.
Yeah, I just didn't know if they had like mod 0.8 or like 32 pitch or what. Oh, it's a blast.
And then there's a sand hill right here that we can climb and jump.
Okay, show us.
All right. I got you, Byron. Oh, you got it. Heck yeah. Yeah, thank you guys. Oh, that was a good one. Oh man. Yeah, I got stuck because of you.
Hey!
Sorry.
That went up my shoulder. Look at this, I'm going backwards just digging.
Wow.
You gotta see these 14-foot deep ruts.
Oh.
Look at this.
Yeah, 14 foot deep.
Dude.
Wow, look at this. 14 feet, man.
Look at that. Man.
Got him dusted.
The furries let me down, dude. That was an eventful day, guys.
Yeah, it was.
Later.